So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Based on the title below, you already know what time it is. Hey. So I'm nervous bad. I'm not care. Boy, I forget mad today. So I just came from work, guys, and I left early. So I'm have a little bit of time for my aunt, and I decided I'm offer run a prank for the weekend. Yeah. But it offer me couldn't laugh and make boy mad. So anyways, guys, this might turn out to be something that I don't want it to be, but let's get right into the video, guys. I'm excited. I'm on wait, because like I told you guys, I'm trying to make more videos. I might not be able to do it all the time, but I'm trying. I promise you guys. Mwah. Come here, I want to tell us something.
No.
You know, I just think about something a while ago.
What?
I just think about something a while ago. But you have to come sit down for hear this. You have to sit down for hear this. You have to come sit down for hear this.
What?
Eh?
What?
Come over here, so. See, you know, like how from what they may say, more find one way to make some extra money or something. We had on the phone, you ever depend on your phone.
Maybe that was something free calling me.
See the phone up for the case, so suppose you drop that mashed up.
No, no, good.
Something just come across my mind. My mind tell us say, I keep on trying to go some way to make some money. Cause, you know?
The job not enough?
You mean the job not enough? Everybody nowadays are trying to make extra money, whether one way or the other. It's just.
Yeah, but I understand that, but you always say you want to make more money, but you end up, you say you want to try something, you end up doing it, something that you believe in.
Yeah, asking about work and them something there. You see, everybody nowadays are finding ways to make money. Work alone can't, because there's so much days me have to work for getting much money. I still not enough. Who not choppy line? They on social media act stupid. When they on social media act stupid, I find one man for con. Some people try to start one business all if it not work. I don't know.
So,
but me think me find a perfect niche.
what you plan for this?
What I plan for them?
Because before you tell me, say, oh,
Me I start my OnlyFans. I just worry about get off on my chest because I feel nervous. I don't know what I'm going to say, but I just worry about get off on my chest because.
Mommy. We gotta start OnlyFans for?
Why other people start OnlyFans?
Mommy.
You don't
You don't even start no OnlyFans.
You don't mommy. Why would you say text me?
No, man. You might
I
as well start at every fun, you know.
Might as well start at what?
Start at every fun. Come on, big and small. You might as well.
Where were you just a while ago?
You hear me say? Start at OnlyFans. Come on, big and small. Start at every funds.
You know, see, at the internet, I don't think nowadays, you know, hey, OnlyFans, you don't understand.
You remember pause my show for come run and stuff for come talk about some foolishness like OnlyFans?
I text that girl like I know so I tell her she can try it too and she go think it's a good idea. We have all the money, I have all the money for you.
Who is we? Me is not part of this. Keep your pouring money. I don't want to know that. I don't want to know your pouring money. You don't want to get up on OnlyFans and post your crutches. I don't want to say that. I don't want to know that.
I think you look on it too deep. I think you look on it too
it's
deep.
Not deeper than
you don't
that.
understand?
I don't post my OnlyFans.
Hey. I think you look on it too deep. And I never say I eat that. But I think you look on it too deep. Everybody have OnlyFans nowadays. So,
So yeah, everybody, yeah, groupie, yeah, follow the trend.
I don't follow the trend. I follow one way for make money. Follow the way for make money. I don't follow the people them.
That don't mean say you have to start OnlyFans though. It's like it's what you could have if you call me and tell me say I turn a scammer, I wouldn't even mind. Because that's better than being on OnlyFans.
Scammer can make me go to jail. OnlyFans now make me get locked up. OnlyFans you only worry about what people are gonna say. You want me to go to chop and go to jail? OnlyFans, I not get locked up. I just have to pay my tax. I not get locked up.
And worse, you're nobody don't know you. Means that
nobody, that's why I'm gonna be somebody. When I go on it,
nobody don't know you.
I'm be somebody, I'm gonna go on it and get popular.
Nobody don't know you if you say, Jody, the singer, she have an OnlyFans. Let me see what she post.
OnlyFans make get popular and rich.
Yeah, but nobody knows you like that. You don't talk to people.
I'm not to know nobody.
You do.
The man know me when I go up there.
Different for other people like say
the man
Cardi B.
know when I go up there.
Somebody like Cardi B.
The man
if she posts a link on her Instagram and say, yo,
people.
Start her OnlyFans.
You have to start from some
millions of people to buy. Cause she rich, she famous already. Only just start her OnlyFans.
Calm down. Jesus Christ. You know what just think about?
What?
Jesus Christ, this funny. You know what just think about?
What?
Enough in your school, though.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm just asking, the school big, I think.
Yeah, obviously.
Enough in your bed, though. Exactly. So, you can go to school and tell your friend and you pick them to subscribe to my OnlyFans. So, them know I'm going to be my fans and it can start from this. So, you see, a whole heap of things me I come up with. You know, you can tell your friend them to subscribe to my OnlyFans. Come here. Jai. Come here now.
Can you imagine me I go to school to tell my friend them to subscribe to my mother OnlyFans?
So,
them all pull out a picture and say, yo, why your mother this still look good enough? Them
yeah.
even touch 18.
Them can't go on internet.
No matter.
Them can't go on internet.
Yeah, think about it like this. You tell me, say, yo, go tell your friend them to subscribe. Little boy, I don't phone up, I have the lotion and bat them piss off my mother.
Hey, you ain't go too far.
That's not far that I got
no.
And then they might bring up them phone and say, yo, your mother look good now, yo, I'm not crying about it.
Yeah,
I don't want to hear that.
I like you want me waste my talent. That's not OnlyFans.
That's not a talent.
A talent.
That's more activities.
That's OnlyFans.
Work.
Yeah, more OnlyFans. No. I have the OnlyFans, but I waste my talent.
That's not a talent.
I waste my talent.
That's not a talent.
Remember say, you don't have to approve and I'm just that tell you.
Anybody can
you know you're my little best friend, I'm used to tell you certain things. I'm think say that say I'm money, you know?
No matter. Porn money, I don't want to name porn money.
You keep on talking about that.
It is.
That.
Because really and truly, yeah, say some things, aggravate me. You need to leg off on the ears.
I must aggravate me.
Aggravate.
You can get aggravate all you want. Aggravate. You can get aggravate all you want. I never have to tell you nothing, you know. I just never want you to find out and drop down. I never have to tell you nothing about aggravate. I must aggravate.
You seriously need to just rest and leg off on the ears.
But see what
you are telling me, no, make no type of sense.
I mean, not make no sense. I'm money we are talking about.
It don't matter.
I'm money we are talking about.
That's not what you want to do.
And that I want to do. You know me want to do? You know me want to do?
OnlyFans is not the way for them. But I prefer them to say you want to scam that them say you want to.
You keep on talking about scam, so you forgot prison. You forgot prison.
But scamming just.
You keep on talking about scam, you forgot prison. That me at
Okay.
Wow.
Really and truly. Make anything you want to make. As long as me know about that. Alright.
You never like in there, you want to go
Obviously, I'm not in there.
You never like in there, you want to go OnlyFans?
No.
You sound stressed like you're annoyed.
Because this is annoying, man. Annoying. Because you're on OnlyFans.
Everybody.
Not on OnlyFans here. Nobody knows you. You're not a celebrity. You don't just
But
get...
nobody know if you know.
Yes, people do have to know you. You don't just get famous from OnlyFans. It's not like Instagram. Where you
So not support the
where you
cause.
go on a feed. It's not like Instagram where you
No,
go
if
on a
you
feed.
big house, I drive one big car. You not support the
It's
cause.
not like Instagram where you pop up on somebody's recommendation.
Well, my pop up on somebody's recommendation. my pop
You laugh like it's funny.
my
It's
pop
not
up by a
funny.
friend them.
It's no funny. We don't want anyone about friend them. We want picnic. Somebody need to be 18 yet.
Alright. Jesus Christ. But that's what I say. You know? You have to do something for something, you know? But that's what I see where they're going to say and them something there, you know?
No, I don't.
Alright, joke that way. That's what I see where they're going to say. That's what I say.
I must joke him
What did I say? I guess
I must joke him because...
No, let me say Iggy, someone no limited.
What's your out?
Alright, see the camera there.
Ring by your finger.
See the camera there. See the camera there. Tell people I'm hi. I'll stop going so. Tell people I'm hi.
Oh, go on.
Let me know what is wagwan.
So that you might as well just fling with the whole video then.
Why?
If they don't know wagwan, you're not gonna understand none of the video. That makes sense. That to me.
We're talking about alright, but that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Guys, but they have a comeback. But that we long comeback. But that we long comeback with that one there. That bad. Me like that for myself. But I forget boy mother. That bad. We have one people far. But no, my love and I been on come and know I get mad. Hear me actually I look at the people like I can't see them. They look stressed. Sporting. Come sit down.
Leave me alone, yeah. Bother me with them. Me and my room I watch something on Friday. I'm for relax. Friday. All this work over the week.
Guys, I didn't go to work today, so I was bored and I wanted something to do. No lie. I worked today, but I didn't work all day. Why am I lying on myself? Alright, can I go out? I'll show you. Did I watch? I hope you have a great weekend, guys. You miserable? Jesus Christ.